Hey guys, and welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. In today's video, I want to share with you guys a trash to treasure shelf makeover using only Dollar Tree items. A while back, one of my neighbors threw out an old rusted shelf, and I knew that I could take it and transform it into something useful for my home. So if you would like to see how I took this shelf and transformed it with only 2 products from Dollar Tree, which was tag board and contact paper, then stay tuned to this video. So as you can see on this shelf, it's rusted in certain areas, it's even dented in certain areas, but it was still really sturdy, and the places where it had the screws in, they were still screwed in tight. So the bones and the structure of the actual shelf was still in good condition. I knew I just needed to fix up and transform the actual shelf parts of this shelf to make it look a little bit more nice. So because there was certain areas of the shelf that was dented, I wanted to make sure that every shelf top had a smooth surface, especially before I apply the contact paper, because if you apply contact paper to any bumpy or rough surface, it will show through on the contact paper. So what I did was I just took some tag board and I cut it to the size of each shelf, and then I applied it on the top of the shelf with hot glue. So this is the contact paper that I used for this project, and what I love about this contact paper is it gives the shelf that granite countertop look that everybody's going for now. And this contact paper, I always see it in my Dollar Tree stores all the time. It's not one of those contact papers that you see one season and then it's gone the next. Every Dollar Tree store that I go to, I always see this one, so I think it's one of those Dollar Tree staples that you will always find. So as you can see here, the shelf looks so smooth once I've added the tag board and the contact paper on top of the tag board. If I did apply the contact paper directly to the shelf as it was, it would have been bumpy and it would have been uneven and it wouldn't look good at all. But the fact that I added the tag board before the actual contact paper, it gives it that smooth look and it actually looks brand new. This shelf makeover was so simple and budget friendly for me to do because I got the shelf for free because somebody was throwing it away, and I only had to use 2 items from Dollar Tree, which was the tag board and the contact paper, to make over this shelf, and I love the way that it turned out. Stay tuned to my next video where I'll be sharing with you guys how I use this shelf in the kitchen in my old home to do some pantry organization. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more videos like this, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.